Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Sportage steering wheel. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment. Next, locate the 2 or 3 Torx screws, usually on the back of the steering wheel, that hold the airbag module in place. Carefully remove these screws, then gently pull the airbag module forward just enough to access its electrical connectors. With the airbag module slightly detached, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors. There will be wires for the airbag itself and typically a separate one for the horn. Take your time and avoid pulling on the wires directly. Once all connections are free, remove the airbag module completely. It's important to store it safely, face up, in a cool, dry place, away from any heat sources or direct sunlight. Now, focus on the large central nut holding the steering wheel to the column. Use an appropriately sized socket wrench to loosen and remove this nut. Before fully removing the wheel, it's a good idea to mark its current position relative to the steering column. This ensures proper alignment when you reinstall it. Finally, gently wiggle the steering wheel back and forth to free it from the splined shaft and pull it off. Before reassembly, take a moment to inspect the steering column and all wiring for any signs of damage or wear. Clean any debris from the splined shaft to ensure a smooth reinstallation. Reassemble everything in the reverse order, making sure all connections are secure and the central nut is tightened to specification. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.